I bet you didn't know that you can use Chargent in a flow to take payment on any page in Salesforce. In this video, I am going to demonstrate how to do just that using Chargent's Take Payment Component. My name is Micaiah and I'm from Chargent. If you are a Salesforce admin or a consultant who wants to supercharge your payment processes, then you are in the right place. Flow is the future of automation in Salesforce, and in fact, at Dreamforce 21, Salesforce announced that Workflow Rules and Process Builder are being retired in late 2022. As that is the case, it is time for all of us to start thinking more seriously about using Flow to accomplish our process goals without any code, directly on the Salesforce platform. Now, before we get into this demo, I want you to know that we have made a guide to show you how to make recurring payments fully automated inside of Salesforce. Get your copy today. Use the link in the description of this video. Today, the use case for this demo, it's collecting donations from employees for a charity that makes clean water a reality globally. As the administrator, you want to drive as much impact as possible. So we're going to use the home page for your org to accomplish this. One prerequisite as we get into this, if you're following along, you will need to check that you have Take Payment Component enabled in the org that you're working in. Now, this component, it's part of the Chargent Platform Edition. It is also available in sandboxes for testing and for development. Let's dig in. First, head into Setup, and then using Quick Find, search for flows. Choose flows under Process Automation. Create a new flow. Choose Screen Flow, click Choose Auto Layout. Use the plus icon to create a new screen. Go ahead and give it a label. In our example, I'm going to use a display text first to make our pitch. I'll add display text and input the details. Chargent requires that a Chargent record order is created, and so we will add a new element. Click Create Record, set the label, API name, and the description. Now set the how many records to 1, and set the record fields to use separate resources and literal values. In the object field, type Chargent Orders and choose Chargent Orders from the list. You'll see the value on the screen here. Click into Search Fields, then find each of these fields and apply their values. Set a value as you would like. In our demo, we're asking employees to give $50 apiece. Now, one could use Flow to collect this information in your flow in a field, but we aren't covering that in this video. Once we set a value, click the Add Field button. The next field we need to add is the Gateway field. To find your chosen gateway ID, just navigate to the gateway record and pluck the ID out of the URL. Paste that gateway record ID into the value field. Add the manual charge field and set the global constant of true. Add a screen element using the plus icon and give the new screen a name like Payform. Now I want you to drag and drop the display text component onto the screen and input your call to action. Drag and drop the Take Payment component onto the screen. Give an API name. Any name will do. Let's use Take Payments, just one word. Now, input Chargent Orders charge amount in Gateway ID. Use the same Gateway Record ID from just a moment ago. In the Payform title, give your Payform a name. I'm calling mine Water Charity Donation. In Record ID, we will use a variable which calls for the record ID from the previous step in our flow, where we created the Chargent order. In the Billing Contact field, put in the API name for where to draw the contact details. Let's collect an email address and country name, so we're going to go ahead and set those to both global constant of true. Finally, set the form to show the toast message by adding another global constant of true. We are ready, so we can click Done. Next, go ahead and click that Save button and give it a name like Take Payments Flow, and then activate. Now do remember that your users are going to need to have permissions to view this flow, so be sure that you've given them the required permissions in Salesforce. Now let's add the flow to our home page so that we can give maximum exposure for our campaign. Navigate to your home page. Click the gear icon in the upper right. Choose Edit Page. Now that we're in the Lightning Page Builder, you're going to choose Flow from the standard components on the left-hand side of the page. Then on the right, use the Flow drop-down to choose the newly created flow. I choose my Take Payments flow from the drop-down menu. Click Save, click activate, and then click the back arrow to get back to the page we just edited. Okay, now I'm ready to switch hats and act as an employee donating on this page that we just created. So I land on the home page, I see the new request. I believe that everyone needs and deserves access to clean water, so I click next and enter my address and card details. And then I click the pay $50 button. I see the big green check mark showing that everything's a success. And just like that, I've donated to help this mission. You can use this same idea to put Flow anywhere you want. So get creative and go collect some cash. And now I want you to check out this next video here, where you're gonna learn more about making payments simple inside of Salesforce. My name is Micaiah, and remember, here at Chargent, we are always here to help.